Welcome back to our channel, Spiritual Devils. We are thrilled to have you join us once again for another exciting adventure. Today, we are diving deep into the heart of one of the most breathtaking and enigmatic places on Earth. Today, we journey to Big Bend National Park, a place where nature's raw beauty and untamed wilderness come together in a spectacular display. This park, located in the vast expanse of West Texas, is a haven for adventurers, nature lovers, and those seeking solace in the great outdoors. Join us as we step 20 years into the future. Imagine a world where time has marched on, bringing with it both progress and challenges. We will explore how Big Bend has evolved, adapting to the changes brought by time and human influence. The year is 2045. The landscape of Big Bend has undergone a transformation, reflecting the broader changes in our environment and society. This is a glimpse into a future shaped by our actions and decisions. Big Bend remains a sanctuary, but it is a sanctuary transformed. The changes are stark. Where once lush vegetation thrived, now stands a more arid and sparse landscape. The flora and fauna have adapted, but the contrast is undeniable. The relentless desert sun beats down with an intensity that has only grown over the years. The climate has shifted, bringing harsher conditions and testing the resilience of all living things in this rugged terrain. The once vibrant landscape is now a canvas of browns and yellows. The rich greens and vibrant colors of the past have faded, replaced by the muted tones of a land enduring the trials of a changing climate. The air hangs heavy, thick with the silence of a world struggling to survive. The stillness is almost palpable, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life in this harsh environment. As we continue our journey, we will uncover the stories of resilience and adaptation that define Big Bend in this new era. The Rio Grande, the lifeblood of the region, has been a source of sustenance and vitality for countless generations. Stretching over 1,800 miles, it has carved its way through the landscape, providing water, food, and a means of transportation. But now, this once mighty river is a shadow of its former self. The river's flow has diminished drastically, leaving behind a desolate and arid riverbed. The water that once surged through here, supporting a diverse ecosystem, is now reduced to a mere trickle. Its flow is reduced to a trickle, barely enough to sustain the life that once thrived along its banks. Fish that once swam freely are now struggling to survive in the shallow waters. The once fertile banks are now cracked and barren, a stark contrast to the lush greenery that used to flourish here. The soil, deprived of moisture, has hardened and split, creating deep fissures that snake across the landscape. Dust devils dance across the parched earth, a testament to the relentless heat that has gripped the region. These swirling columns of dust and debris are a haunting reminder of the harsh conditions that now prevail. Temperatures soar to unbearable heights during the day, with the mercury often climbing well above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The intense heat not only affects the river, but also the surrounding environment, making it difficult for any form of life to endure. The sun, an unforgiving inferno, bakes the earth with its relentless rays. Day after day, the scorching sun beats down, evaporating what little water remains and leaving the land dry and desolate. The rocks themselves seem to radiate heat, holding on to the day's warmth long after the sun has set. As night falls, the heat lingers, creating an environment that remains inhospitable even in the cooler hours. This is the new reality of the Rio Grande, a river that once symbolized life and prosperity, now struggling to survive in a world that has become increasingly hostile. Water, once plentiful, is now a precious commodity. The few remaining springs and seeps are lifelines for the park's inhabitants. Animals, driven by desperation, congregate around these dwindling sources. The struggle for survival is etched into their faces. Their eyes, once bright with life, now hold a look of weary resignation. The fight for water is a constant battle, a matter of life and death. The wind, once a gentle caress, now whips through the canyons with a vengeance. It carries with it the whispers of a changing world. The whispers speak of prolonged droughts and erratic rainfall. They speak of summers that are hotter and longer. They speak of winters that are shorter and milder. The very rhythm of nature seems disrupted, thrown off balance. Yet even in the face of such adversity, life persists. The resilience of the natural world is awe-inspiring. Cacti, masters of survival, stand tall and proud. Their prickly exteriors hide a surprising ability to thrive in this arid environment. Desert wildflowers, dormant for months, burst into bloom with the slightest hint of rain. Their vibrant colors, a fleeting spectacle, offer a glimmer of hope amidst the harsh reality. Section 6. Shadows of the Past. The ruins of human settlements stand as a stark reminder of our own vulnerability. These crumbling adobe structures, once teeming with life, are now silent and abandoned. They serve as a cautionary tale, a testament to the fact that even the most ingenious species can be brought low by the forces of nature. Section 7. A Future Uncertain. The future of Big Bend National Park, like the future of our planet, hangs in the balance. The challenges are daunting. The consequences of inaction are dire, but there is still hope. We have the power to change course. We have the knowledge to mitigate the worst effects of climate change. The question is, do we have the will? Section 8. The Call of the Wild. Big Bend, even in its transformed state, remains a place of profound beauty. The park's landscapes are a testament to the enduring power of nature, showcasing a variety of ecosystems that range from arid deserts to lush river valleys. Each sunset paints the sky with a palette of colors that seem almost otherworldly, reminding us of the natural wonders that exist beyond our urban lives. It is a place where the raw power of nature is on full display. Thunderstorms sweep across the landscape with a ferocity that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The rivers carve their way through the canyons with relentless force, shaping the land over millennia. These natural phenomena are a stark reminder of the Earth's dynamic processes and the ever-changing environment we live in. It is a place that reminds us of our own insignificance in the grand scheme of things. The vastness of the desert, the towering mountains, and the endless sky all serve to put our lives into perspective. Standing amidst such grandeur, one can't help but feel a sense of humility and wonder. It is a humbling experience that connects us to something much larger than ourselves. It is a place that calls to us, urging us to protect and preserve it for future generations. The park is not just a sanctuary for wildlife, but also a haven for people seeking solace and adventure. Families come here to hike, explore, and create lasting memories. Conservationists work tirelessly to restore and maintain the park's natural beauty, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and thriving ecosystem. The Call of the Wild is not just a call to witness nature's splendor, but a call to action, a call to stewardship, and a call to ensure that this magnificent place endures for generations to come. Section 9. Until next time. The fight for Big Bend is a fight for all wild places. It is a fight for the future of our planet. It is a fight we cannot afford to lose. Thanks so much for subscribing, and until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.